Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Make sure you have a logged-in Roblox account and open slap battles. You choose a low-skill match to farm quickly because opponents there die faster and spawn more often. Begin playing rounds back-to-back. Focus on consistent participation rather than perfection. Once done, keep a simple rhythm: enter, Q, slap, repeat. This raises your chance for item drops by increasing playtime and encounter count, which matters more than luck in short sessions. Now refine how you play. You swap to nimble, low-cost loadouts so you can stay in action longer without getting stuck. Focus on quick engagements and resets because more rounds equal more drop opportunities. Long chases waste time and reduce attempts. Once in a group, coordinate simple tactics so matches end faster and you return to queue sooner. This increases your effective attempts per hour, which directly improves your odds of obtaining the bind glove. Finish by sustaining this loop until you see the bind glove in inventory. You persist because probability favors repetition. You check inventory often and relog when drops don't appear immediately because client sync can lag. Once you get it, make sure to equip and test in a private match. If you hit a dry spell, switch servers or clear cache to reset session variables. That simple change often fixes invisible drop issues and keeps your attempts productive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.